susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
She's staring at me, I'm sitting wondering what she's thinking. Nobody's talking, cause talking just turns into screaming. Oh. And now it's I'm yelling over her, she yelling over me. All that means is neither of us is listening. And what's even worse is that we don't even remember why we're fighting. So both of us are
Look at me now, look at me now, look me now. I'm getting paper. Look at me now, look at me now, look me now.
Get jazzy on. I'm that flight that you get on, international. First class seat on my lap, girl, riding comfortable. Cause I know what that girl them need. New York to Haiti, I got lipstick stamps on my passport. You make it hard to leave. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me. You talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Playboys.
Check this out.
Don't you ever wish you were someone else?
Una sa lahat, hindi ako inggitera. Kasi, maganda ako. Mahirap man kami, maganda ako. Wala man kaming pera, maganda ako. Eh, ikaw, maganda ka ba? O...
Salvation is reserved for those who pass the test. Initiate phase 1. Power up the base cannon. Fire.
Hindi kita malilimutan.
Girlfriend mo na ba ako? Ayoko nga. Di pa ako ready. Ha? Demanding ng mga girlfriend. Gusto ganito, gusto ganyan. Ewan, gusto ko lang naman ng McDo fries eh.
And oh Joe, hit me baby! Yeah, big. Oh yeah! Big di sukatan. Ang tunga kagamot ibutang sa lubot. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Sa'yo pinakigul. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Sa'yo pinakigul. Swing.
Once you rewind.
Ang duwa ka kamot, ibutang sa lubot.
Oh yeah.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
Sa'yo pinakigul.
wiggle, wiggle.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Shake it, girl.
Sa'yo pinakigul. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Sa'yo pinakigul. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Sa'yo pinakigul. Swing!
Bawal ka dyan. And suot mong gabi, magkakape ako kung gusto ko, no? Decaffeinated naman. Ang sarap kaya. Try mo! Try mo!
Shower